Good morning, one and all. This is the official launching of e-learning program Chintan to think to act, offered by Amal College of Advanced Studies in association with Coursera, world's biggest online learning platform. This video will take you through introduction to Coursera, how to join with Amal College, what is the procedure, the simple way which will take you to Coursera platform, and the concluding notes. To give an introduction to Coursera, it is the world's biggest online learning platform. It was founded in 2012 by Stanford University professors of computer science department. Now in January 2020, it has 450 employees and 4 million users. That is why it is one of the biggest online learning platform in the world. It offers 4,000 plus online courses, and every day new and innovative courses are being added to the Coursera platform by world's top universities. This is a platform of massive open online course, MOOC platform, and you will get a wide variety of courses in all disciplines. This wide range of courses include subject-oriented courses, skill-based courses, job-oriented courses, general awareness courses, and of course, specialization related to all disciplines. Normally, the course is of a duration of 4 to 12 weeks, and you will find it very easy to grasp the subject and the course because of the very easy video tutorials, video lectures, and also readily available instructors and supportive staff from Coursera. Now keep learning with Coursera. Coursera is offering all courses free of cost through educational institutions as a special offer during COVID-19. Normally, the Coursera courses are paid, but due to the special offer, you will get a free enrollment through educational institution till July 31st. And this offer will extend a time up to September 30th to complete the course. So it's the time to collaborate with Coursera and with Amal College. Now join with Amal College to enter a new world of e-learning. Why Amal College? We offer easy registration steps to enroll to Coursera, and we have a good technical support wing to assist you in all the matters, and will guide you to select the apt course for you, and individual attention will be given to the learners, and we will assist you to gain the certificate. Who can join this course? Students, that is UG and PG students of any colleges. It will be very beneficial for them to do subject-based or skill-based courses. Research scholars can also join the Coursera platform, and they can get variety of analytical and methodology related courses in the platform. Of course, teachers and professionals. Learning is a never-ending process, and teachers and professionals need to be updated themselves, so they can attend their training programs for career enhancement through Coursera platform. And another category who can join this course is alumni, parents, and general public. Now, this is an important area which describes the steps to be followed to join Amal College Coursera platform. We have very simple step to put forward. The first step is to register with a Google form, which we provide through WhatsApp groups, social medias, and also you can get this registration link of Google form from our website, amalcollege.az.in. After registering in the Google form, you have to join different WhatsApp groups which are created for this purpose. We have category-wise WhatsApp group for students, for teachers, for alumni, for parents, and others. So in the second step, you have to join the concerned WhatsApp group. If you are a student, join the students WhatsApp group. If you are a teacher, join the teacher WhatsApp group, which we have provided. Now the third step is, once you have registered, you will get an invitation link to your email. Through this invitation link, you can join our Coursera platform through username, of course, your email ID, and by creating a new password. And the last step is, once you are inside Amal College Coursera platform, you will get choices of over 4,000 plus courses, and from among them, you can select your favorite course. So with 5 simple steps, a new world of e-learning is open to you. Now meet our team. Since we are offering a wide variety of courses through our platform, you may be in a confusion to select the best one. We have a good team of experts who can guide you, assist you, and help you to select the best course which suits your career ambitions, which improve your skilling, which helps you to acquire jobs, promotion, etc. So this is our team. Mr. Anujit S is the course coordinator. And we have Dr. P. Fawaz, Afsal CP from Computer Science Department, Abid Rahman, Sini K, and Anis K. We offer quality professional platform, and the major features, we have category-wise WhatsApp group to have live discussions. At no point you should not drop the course. So all the time you will be assisted or guided by our team. Each category will have a WhatsApp group to have live discussion. And in each WhatsApp group, we'll be adding 1 or 2 faculties to guide you. And apart from this, you will get expert advice from our senior faculties of each discipline. Department of Commerce, we have Dr. Abbas Watoli. Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Mr. Shami Babuti. Department of Economics, Dr. Shihabuddin N. Department of Psychology, Dr. Amir Hassan. Department of English, Mr. Shanavas Patupara. Department of Computer Science, Nilufar S. You will get expert advice from all these faculties, which will help you to select the best course and to complete the course successfully. Keep learning, keep growing. And we can assure you that by selecting this Coursera platform, you will acquire job skills, communication skills, general awareness, interview skills, subject expertise, and of course, additional advantage while applying for jobs, promotion, and higher studies. And that's all from our part. Thank you. Let's put our minds together for Chintan to think, to act. And myself, representing Coursera platform of Amal College, Dr. Dhanya K. IQSC coordinator, Amal College. Thank you.